Good day, guys. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't have any coffee yet, and I decided to get out and do some exercise. I am not going to use the electricity of this bike, just this normal pedal pushing. Yeah, mate. We're going to explore this one. There are some birds down there. I like it. Yeah, there's some, pathway like this. This place is like a newly developed housing. Yes, looks like empty. Looks like no one lives here. But yeah, there are cars outside. Look, beautiful houses. Nice. Oh, there's another way here. Discovering places. Nice. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Wherever it takes. Here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive. Look, there is a basketball court here, but just one. Sorry, sir. Wherever you go. Oh, there's another. Wow, this place is nice. They have a lot of a pathway. Oh, heading uphill here. Get me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever. Oh, heavy, huh? I actually need to use the electricity. Yeah. Nice. With electricity, it's very easy to get up. I end up here. Nice. Oh, looks like something beautiful is going to show up. Yeah, there is a Adventist church in the Seventh-day Adventist church. There is one golf course here. Looks small, but maybe there are more on the other side. Yeah, I can see a lot of people there. Yeah, if you remember, I used to work in golf course, but in a restaurant of a golf course in Dubai, Four Seasons Golf Club. Yeah, part of the Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts, luxury hotels. Nice, good to know this. I really like this new setup of my iPhone holder. Yeah, it's like this. Oh, I can take out like that. It's basically just like that. This thing. This one I just found it somewhere in the cabinet in the drawer of the house. And I was thinking, how can I use this? And I attach it here with the glue. Yeah, and double-sided tape. And it's now like this, so it's work like this. I just pop it there, and it's ready to use. I got the message. So this is from, yeah. Do you know anyone who can give me sponsorship? I don't know, mate. Sorry, mate. I don't know anyone who can give you any sponsorship. Yeah, this is my second time in this place. Look, there's people fishing there. A lot of dirt. These are coming from, you know, under the water. Yeah, and that's where I came from. On the other side of that mountain, that is where I came from. This place is called Wanda Points. Yeah, Wanda Points. Wanda. And then Salamander. And then Corlet. And then Nelson Bay. And then Shell Bay. And then Pingle Bay. Yeah, this is the place. Should we go there or what? Is there an access to get there? We'll find out, mate. Have I told you lately that I love you? Wanda Head Reserve. I really like this. You know, seeing new places like this is amazing. Now I see this part of this island. Wow, it looks never ending. Where is it going? Sorry, good morning. Oh, it's going up. Electricity need you, mate. Wow. Wow, it's heading here. Nice. Yeah, there's something like a cyclist thing, you know, a lot of cyclists here. They are turning around here. Yeah, nice. I've seen a lot of, you know, different, looks expensive bike, racing bike. Nice. Yeah, like this MC. Looks the, you know, the tire looks very thin. Oh, that one is good, Pirelli. Well, let's have a look here. So this is basically the Ray White shop. They are selling and renting houses in Salamander Bay. It's 3 bedroom, 3 shower, and 1 garage for $199,000. Very expensive, but it's with swimming pool and nice. And this also with the view of the bay. 3 bedroom, 3 shower, 3 garage, $1,050,000. Expensive.
Is that electric?
Huh?
Is that electric?
Yeah. Electric. It's a pedal assist. So when you start to pedal, the electricity will start to work. And you feel that someone is pushing you.
Whoa.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
I'll do it up and down.
yeah.
How do you stop it? Just the brake?
There's no power. It's like this. So this is the power, and this is the low mode,
I'll do low.
and then medium, high.
I'll do low.
Yeah. At the moment, yeah, wait. At the moment, there's no electricity. So when you start to press this, it will like that, and yeah.
Alright, so do I just do like press them?
No, there's no. If you want to stop, you just normal like stop. This one is just for brake. There's no things like this. What do you call that?
Throttle?
Yeah,
There's no throttle.
This is the.
So I press this when I want to start.
Yeah, press this to put in the low mode.
Alright.
Yeah, it's like that. You did you try the medium and the high? No. Try, you can try. But careful. Yeah, I let that guy I mean that kid to try my bike.
That is fun. Then do I press? How do I like stop it?
And now this just power off on. Yeah, it's like the.
That's a really.
You like the? You like?
Yeah, I want to get one.
Yeah, nice. So if you're going uphill, it will be easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really nice.
Because every day I travel going to the uphill, so I need electric. Yeah.
That is a really nice car.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. I bought a coffee from that side. It's $5. A lot of people there at the moment, and now we'll keep on going. You know, I've been to Italy, in Milan and then Rome. I don't like the garbage system they have there. You know, they have a very big garbage bin in the outside like this. It not look good. Yeah, it doesn't look good compared to this one here in Australia. It looks clean. Yeah, that one in Italy, in Milan, is not really good. It is good to bike around in the morning because aside from there's no so much car in the street, also it's not very hot. Yeah, this looks like yeah, this is, I don't know, it's a river or what. Yeah, this is basically just a connection from this is actually the Karua River. That side is a Karua River, a very big river. Yeah, coming from the Nelson Bay. Wow, that's very close. Wow. And it's the water's coming from that like a pond. Is that a pond or what? Let's have a look on the other side. Mine. Yeah. As you can see, there are some small crabs. I don't know. Look, they will move. They're afraid. Yeah. The water goes inside the tunnel, going out there. The time now is around 10 o'clock and it's getting hot, and I'm going home now because, you know, this heat is not good for me. Good morning. We'll see. You still hold the key. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I never go far away from you.